my good people, let's take this solve. Okay, we have this to solve. We told that if m equal to 100 all over n squared, okay, we're told to find n when m is 25. Okay, so let's solve. The first thing we have to do is to put this in perspective. We have a solution. So we have m equal to 100 all over n raised to the power of 2 squared. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to make since we have to find n, we make n the subject of the formula. Okay, so we make this over 1 so that both will be in fraction form, and then we cross multiply. Okay, so we have n squared times m will give us a n squared m equal to 1 times 100 will give us 100. Okay, remember we are looking for the value of n squared, okay, or n. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of n squared, which is m. Back all over m, all over m. We cancel this and this. So n squared equal to 100 all over n. So we get this done now. And then in this place, we are told that the value of m is 25 when n is what? 25. So we have a n squared equal to 100 all over 25. Okay, so n squared equal to, here is 1. I mean, here, and here is 4. So n squared becomes 4. Okay, but remember we are told to find the value of n and not that of n squared. When that happens, what we simply do is to find the square root of both sides. Okay, we'll find the square root of both sides of the equation, both sides of the equation. Okay, so we have n raised to the power of 2. Look for the square root equal to square root of 4. This square cancels the square root. We have n to be square root of 2 times 2, and then 2 times 2 will give us 4. And what in the square root, whenever any number appears twice, okay, in the under the square root sign, we pick one to be the square root. So we have our n to be 2. So the value of n in this is